Students, in this video, we are going to discuss about software design and the why software design is important. Software design is one of the important step in software engineering process. In software engineering process, first we collect the requirements and then we validate the requirements, and after that we design the software. So actually software design comes before the implementation process. So why software design is important? So in reality, if you want to build a house, before building the house, obviously we contact the architect or engineer to get the blueprint of the house. So based on the blueprint of the house, then we build the house. Why that blueprint is important for house construction? Suppose after completion of house construction, suppose if we found any mistakes or modifications, suppose if you want to do any modifications, obviously it leads to financial loss and resources. So obviously it leads to problems. So before constructing the house, if any mistakes or any modification, we can rectify it in the design phase itself, so that we can expect the good outcome. Whatever the problems and technical errors and technical mistakes and any modifications, so that we can easily find it in design phase itself, so that we can solve the problems to some extent, and we can rectify it and we can solve it in the design phase itself, so that we can implement it, so that we can expect a good software product at the end. So otherwise it leads to many problems. So financial loss, human effort, and resources. So obviously all these parameters are very important to build the software product. So we have to consider human effort, finance, that means cost, software cost, I mean to say budget of the software, and then human effort and resources may be a hardware resources or software resources. So software design is very crucial step in the software engineering process. It decides the quality of the software product. So it is more creative than analysis, of it is completely a problem solving activity. So then what is design? It doesn't describes what system will do, what software system will do, and what software system will have the features. It describes how to develop the software, how to implement the software. It doesn't describes what, it describes how. It's completely a problem solving activity. So at the end, in software engineering process, at the end of the software design process, we can expect a software design document, that is SDD, software design document. So this software design document will be an input to the implementation step. So based on this document, implementers will develop the software product. So this diagrammatic representation completely clearly depicts the software design process. First we collect the requirements from the customers, and then we analyze the requirements. It mean to say I mean to say we validate the requirements, whether requirements are proper or improper, whether requirements are correct or incorrect. We validate the requirements, we scrutinize the requirements, and after that we design the software using some tools. We design the softwares. At the end we refine the design document. So at the end we get a completed design framework. So this completed design framework, it will be considered as input to the next phase. The next phase means that is implementation step. So this diagrammatic representation clearly depicts the relationship between customer, developers, and design. Uh, Actually, design it is treating as a interface between customer and developers. So while designing the software, the designer has to consider the customer viewpoints. The designer has to think in the customer viewpoint as well as developer's viewpoint. So designer has to consider both customers uh, viewpoints and developers viewpoints. So designer has to satisfy the customer requirements as well as developers technical expertization. So he has to think both the factors. So this is very important. Why this is important? Because ultimately the main goal of the software engineering is satisfaction of the customers. First we collect the requirements from the customers. So we have to satisfy the customers viewpoints. So designer, while designing the software product, designer has to uh, consider the customer's viewpoints, and also he has to think about technical expertization of the developers team. So that is very important. So software design. So these are the characteristics of the software design. The major characteristics or major features of the software design. As I told earlier, at the end of the software design process, we can expect a software design document. That software design document, that should be correct, that should be proper, that should contain the completeness. The software design document should not contain any incomplete design part. It should have a complete design part, and it should be correct. It should be proper. It should be relevant to the concept, and it should be understandable, because software design document is the input to the implementation step. So software design document should be understandable to the implementers. So it should be understandable, and it should be at the right level, and it should be maintainable also, easy to maintain. That means anything if you want to add it or any modification, it should allow, the design document should allow the designer to add any new things to modify the document. So it should be correct, it should be complete, it should be proper, it should be relevant to the concept, it should be understandable to the implementers, and it should be maintainable also. So these are the properties or characteristics of the software design. So in this session we discussed about what is a software design, and why software design is important, and the characteristics of the software design document. Thank you.